Hello everyone and welcome to this video, guys. Today we're talking about the first motion AI graphic design. So guys, let's get started. This is a AI motion graphic design. You can describe your awesome motion graphics, no idea. You can just write here and you can upload image on the Hera and you can have a zoom, finish, article animations. If I scroll down, guys, scroll down, you can create a template and podcast. And you can click graphic motions, all these tools. You can explore our template. As you can see here, guys, you have a logo animations, and from here you have a teaching bar chart, Chichai and Kawaii timers, and dynamic data tables visualizations. You have a line chart. If I scroll down, you have a brand custom template. You can create a template. You have affiliate program, guys. You can click here something like this. For example, guys, click for example cat, black cat. As you can see here, this black cat. If I check just for test, guys, as you can see here, actually you can get started from here. Click new and you can log in with Google, for example, account. I went to Google account and just wait, guys, to loading this page. And this is not work. Maybe some fixes things on this website. Maybe this you can just create from here, guys, on motion graphics. For example, this one, and you can smart trading. This is prompts, I think, guys, and just click this one, and you see this motion design from here. Just on 1 second, guys, you can create. Just click create from here, and this is the website, guys. Here, calls and can join whitelist. First you can just join to whitelist to get access. So guys, anyway, this is the website. You can create a lot of things, charts and map and features of this website. All these features is available on this platform, on this website. As you can see here, guys, you have a book a demo, guys. You can book in a demo. This option, wait to this option, guys. Maybe it's available on May 2025. So guys, this is the website. Looks beautiful, and the first AI, you can customize your templates. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.